Tired of wasting ad budget because your Metapixel isn't tracking conversions on Hostinger? Here's exactly how to fix it in minutes. You're running ads, you're spending money, but you have no idea who's actually buying or signing up. That's a leaky bucket, and I'm going to help you plug it right now. We'll open your Hostinger Builder, install the Metapixel app, and configure it step by step. Let's dive in. So first, start by opening your site in the Hostinger Website Builder. This is the main editor where you drag and drop everything. Go ahead and load that up. Once it's open, you'll be looking at your live site preview on the canvas. Now locate and click the Apps section. On that left-hand sidebar, you'll see a little icon that looks like a puzzle piece or a square grid. That's the Apps area. Click it. This is where Hostinger keeps all the extra functionality you can bolt onto your site, from chat widgets to analytics. Alright, find the option that says Improve Ad Targeting by tracking visitor actions on your website. It's pretty straightforward. You're looking for the Metapixel integration. Click on that to open the setup panel. And here's the thing, this is the exact integration I've used myself, and it's the cleanest way to get those conversions flowing back into Facebook. Before we jump in and start connecting things, you'll see a notice about tracking consent. This is important. The integration uses tracking technologies, and to stay compliant and respect your visitors' privacy, you need to manage tracking consent. Hostinger has its own cookie banner, or you can use a third-party tool. Just read that pop-up, acknowledge it, and click the highlighted button to continue. Now click the highlighted area to configure your pixel. A new panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is where we actually link everything together, and here's the really important part. Paste your Metapixel ID from Facebook Events Manager. You need to grab that ID number from your Meta Business Suite. Head over to Facebook Events Manager, find your pixel, and copy the ID. It's a long string of numbers. Then come back to Hostinger and paste it right into the field that says Pixel ID. Double check you didn't add any extra spaces. That's a common mistake. Turn on automatic event tracking for key actions. Right below that Pixel ID field, you'll see a toggle for automatic events. Flip it on. This tells the pixel to automatically track things like page views, searches, and when someone adds an item to their cart. You don't have to manually code any of that. It saves a ton of time and ensures you're capturing the most important actions visitors take. Finally, save your settings and verify the pixel is firing. Click the Save button. Then, give it a moment to process. Once it's saved, you can test it. Go to your live website, right-click and choose Inspect, then click the Console tab. Type in a little command or just use the Metapixel Helper browser extension. It's free. If you see the Pixel ID pop up in the network requests, you're golden. It's tracking, and that's it. From this point forward, every time a visitor takes an action on your Hostinger site, the pixel will send that data back to Facebook. You'll finally be able to see which ads are actually driving sales and which ones are just eating your budget. Now you can optimize your campaigns with real data. Go ahead and make those ads work for you.